Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. If given log 5 is equal to x, log 3 is equal to y, then find the value of log 8 base 30 in the form of xy. Okay. Here given log 5 is equal to x, log 3 is equal to y. So here log, it means here not actually here not giving any base. It means here base is 10. Here base is 10. Okay, we have to find out this one in the form of x and y. So I'm writing this log 8 base 30. Here I am using logarithmic property log a base b. So log a base you can choose any one. Okay, I am using here base 10. Okay, log a upon log b and here base change. This property we can use here. So log 8 upon log 30. And here base 10. 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. Okay, and log 30 we can write 30, it means 3 times 10. Okay, so our main aim is we have to convert this thing into log 5 and log 3, so we can put actually x and y value. For the numerator, we use here logarithmic property log a to the power n. So n comes here and log a. Okay, this property we will use here. And for the denominator, we apply this logarithmic property a multiply b. It means log a plus log b. Okay, so in the numerator 3 comes here, 3 log 2, and this one we can write log 3 plus log 10. Okay, log 10, it means 1 because log a base a is 1. Okay, so here 10 and here base 10, that's why value 1 according to this one. So log 10 is equal to 1 we can put here, and we know already only log 5 and log 3, but here log 2, so 2 we can convert here something like that. So 3 log 2 we can write 10 upon 5. Okay, and this is log 3, and log 10 value is 1. Okay, if given log a upon b, so according to logarithmic property log a minus log b. Okay, this property we can apply here log 10 upon 5. So this is 3 log 10 minus log 5. Okay, and this is log 3 plus 1. Again we know that log 10 is 1, so we can put value 1. Okay, this one. And log 5 value x, we can put x. Okay, this one. Log 3 value is y. Log 3 value is y. Okay, So y plus 1, this is the answer. Or if you want to write, means solve again, so we can write 1 plus y, just like symmetry. First write 1 and then variable. So this is the answer. So if you have good knowledge about logarithmic properties, you can easily solve this type of problem. Very easy. But if you have any doubt or any difficulty in this question, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.